fire rescue. Somebody call for a sick person.
I have the flu.
I can see that.
So what can you do for me?
I can give you a ride to the hospital.
But I want to go to the hospital. Can't you give me something out of that box to fix me up?
No, it doesn't work like that, man.
But I don't want to go to the hospital.
And I don't want to risk my job leaving you here after I gave you something out of my magic med box or test my immune system being within sneezing distance of you in the back of the rescue truck on the way down to the hospital. But doesn't look like either of us are going to get what we want today.
Okay, I'll get myself ready.